This video is for the MK6 Jetta, which is 2010 to 2017. Recently, I lost my key for it, which looks like this. You surely have seen it. And I'm gonna show you what you can do if you lose this key. You can buy a replacement online. I'm gonna put an affiliate link in the description to buy that. So you can see here that the key meets in the middle like a sandwich, and that there's a line where the key can be separated into two. What you can do is you can take the innards for this key and you can transfer them into the shell of the new replacement key that you buy on Amazon, and then go to either a VW dealership or a locksmith and get this programmed, the new key, if you don't have those innards from the old key. So if you've lost the key entirely, you have to get a new key programmed. If this key is just broken and you want to take the innards out of it, you can put it in a new shell and get it programmed by a locksmith, because there is an immobilizer so that this car won't go unless the chip is in this key. Again, I'm going to put an affiliate link in the description to buy that. If you have any questions, put them in the comments.